why you should never sell a single family investment in a hurry, but why you should always buy from someone who is. All right, guys, here's the thing. It is this complete supply and demand issue. If I am in a hurry and I need to sell something fast, okay, what do I do to sell it fast? Really simply, I discount the price. I discount the price to get it gone today, right? If I need to sell something, I need to sell it right now, I'm gonna have to sell it a really good deal because somebody's gonna come out of the woodworks because it's worth it for that price for them to cancel whatever else they were doing to come and buy that thing. The same thing's happening with real estate. If I have to sell real estate in a hurry, guess what? The only way I do that is I discount the price. So, as a real estate investor, you're going to want to put yourself in a situation where you're never in a hurry to have to sell something. Don't ever be in a hurry to have to sell something, because if you do, you're going to have to discount your price to do that. I don't want to discount my price to do that, so I'm going to set myself in a situation where I never have to be in a hurry to sell my property. However, when I'm looking to buy properties, I want to be buying properties from people that are in a hurry, that need to sell fast. And the reason that I want to do that is they're going to have to discount the price in order for me to purchase it and make it worth my time to buy it right away. Because there's this thing called time on market, or days on market, I should say. It's not Tom, it's Dom. Days on market. This is how many days that the properties are on market in that area on average. So let's just jump over here and take a quick look at days on market in somewhere. Let's just take Atlanta, Georgia, and we'll just come up here. And this is just in Atlanta. This is average days on market. Let's just say it is a 5-bedroom house or a 4-bedroom house. Days on market is 102 days. Okay, so that's almost 4 payments, 4 months, 3 to 4 months is what we're talking about here. If I didn't have 3 to 4 months to sell, anything less than that, I'm going to have to discount my price in order to sell it faster. So the optimal time for me to get my price is 102 days, because that's the equilibrium right now with buyers and sellers in a 5-bedroom house in Atlanta, Georgia. But if I need to sell it in 1 day, I'm gonna have to discount it quite a bit. If I need to sell it in 90 days, I'll have to discount it a little, but not quite as much as I'd have to as if I had to sell it in 1 day. So that's the whole concept here. When I'm selling real estate, I never want to be in a hurry. When I'm buying real estate, I want to be buying from people that are in a hurry, because they're gonna have to discount the price to get that days on market a lot less. Actually, sorry, that was a 4-bedroom house. To get that days on market a lot less. Well, let's look at 5-bedroom house. It's 135 days. Now we're 4 to 5 months that we're talking to sell it. Well, what if I need to get out of that tomorrow? Well, I'm gonna have to discount the price because I'm very motivated. I'm gonna have to do that in order to sell it, or I'm gonna have to wait the 4 to 5 months to actually get that property sold at an ideal market price. So that's how it works. I never wanna be in a hurry to sell, and I always wanna be buying properties from people who are in a hurry to sell.